Hey, man, I would bust your ass today. Again.
Who?
I would bust your ass again.
We can do it. Hey, you ain't say nothing.
Nah, I can't do it. Bro.
You can do it, man.
Nah,
I believe in you.
Nah, shit ain't right. I will be giving away a race if I race you.
Hey, like you did me.
What happened to it?
Like you did me. When you ready, come back. That's all.
Time is
That's
up.
all.
Like 80 feet now.
That's all right. It's good. It's good.
Yeah, when you want to go to that turbo track, I got them fuck with you.
We go to turbo track.
Yo, Mill, you don't want me on the turbo track.
Wait, quick. Can you handle the turbo track now, or do you need to
I
wait?
just left.
Just wait. I thought you started. You ain't ready. Wait, you
No, I said I can't drag race you.
But you can turbo track.
I turbo track you all day. Yeah, you know they got curves and you know the sun beaming down in your eyes, so you know you can't see.
Yeah, I know. See what the head.
But I don't care nothing about it because you know I'm mashing the gas all the way through. I ain't hitting the brakes.
We just need somebody with a toe strap for when you cut off.
What, for you? Yeah, we gonna need a tow track for you.
Hey,
I see you
record, right?
It's on,
Hey,
right?
We need to bring this camera.
No, but it's on. But it's on now. It's on now.
Right, and I'm saying we can bring this camera to the turbo track and we can keep on
You
going.
must get your girl your 4-wheeler.
Hey,
You must get your girl your 4-wheeler. You don't add the pink rims, or you trying to let everybody see it.
going to do the braking process.
Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Hello?
It's on.
Hello, is this thing on? Wait, what you saying?
What you
say?
Where we at?
Wait, what did he say? Hey,
You say you gonna leave?
hey, you
What we
got
just raced at?
West Virginia, Trailfair.
Well, how far I left?
Boy, you smoked me.
Thank
Hey,
you.
hey, you smoked me. Hey,
Yeah.
hey, you smoked the fuck out of me, dog.
The
Hey,
first time he went up in the air.
my bike stood straight up. Too much power.
Hey, so when I seen him up in the air, you know what I thought he was gonna say?
Yeah.
I knew what he was gonna say. Oh, my bike was in there. I said, no, don't say it. Come on, they can run it back. Run it back.
Yep.
Yeah. So when listen, then none of my people was at the line.
All right, come on.
All y'all people was at the line.
I said it.
Look,
I said it. You got me.
Hey, so when that man hand did like this, I was look back, what the fuck
Hey,
did
all
that?
I saw was smoke. All I saw.
Too late for all that lovey-dovey.